How to set up PayID with Commonwealth Bank app. Hello everyone, I'm Anna here to guide you. So without any further ado, let's get started. To open up the Commonwealth Bank app, make sure you're on the home screen of your app and then click on the search bar. In the search bar, you need to search for the PayID. Scroll down and click on the option of PayID on the features category. On the top, you can see the option of add a PayID. Simply click on the plus sign. Now after that you will come across a screen that will ask you what type of PayID will you like to register. Now simply write the type of your PayID. You need to simply click on we'll use the details you have on file to set it up. You should use your email that's on file. So click on the option of email and then simply click on yes, set up this email as a PayID. After that you need to choose an account to link your PayID with. Simply choose the account through which you want to do your transactions. Now here on the screen you can see that it is written others may see this name when they pay you. Simply click on the option of OK got it on the yellow box. After this you will come across your PayID details. If you need to memorize it you can simply note it down. And then after that click on the option of confirm. After this you will get a 6-digit verification code on the email that you have provided. Simply enter the code. After you have entered the code, you can simply click on the option of confirm and in this way you can get a PayID with Commonwealth Bank app. So that's it for the video. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got questions? Please leave in the comments down below. Signing up until next time.